with tomato. Cut tofu into cubes. Crack 3 eggs and mix them. Pour into the tofu. Stir fry until cooked. Set aside. Cooking oil, chopped green onions, chopped garlic, diced tomatoes. Stir fry medium heat for 3 minutes. Water, salt, soy sauce, oyster sauce, white sugar. Pour in the tofu, low heat for 2 minutes. Thicken with starch water. Steamed egg with shrimp and tofu. Cutting the tofu into cubes. Shrimp, peel them, place them on top of the tofu. Crack 2 eggs, add warm water, beat until thoroughly combined. Pour the egg mixture over the tofu. Steam for 8 minutes. Hot oil, spring onions. Prepared sauce. Chili bean paste tofu with minced pork. Diced tofu. Blanch in salted water for 2 minutes. Minced pork. Stir fry until cooked. Chopped green onions, chopped garlic, chili bean paste. Stir fry on high heat for 1 minute. Cooking wine, water, salt, white pepper powder. Add tofu. Simmer on low heat for 5 minutes. Thicken with starch water. Minced meat tofu. 3 eggs, tofu. Mix well. Salt, pepper. Cover with plastic wrap. Poke a few holes. Steam for 15 minutes. Heat oil. Stir fry minced meat. Spring onions, garlic, chili bean paste, red chili peppers, chili sauce. Slowly stir frying until the oil turns red. Soy sauce, oyster sauce. Stir until the flavors are fully released. Add starch water to thicken. Pour the stir-fried minced meat over the tofu. Chop spring onions. Sweet and sour crispy firm tofu. Cut the firm tofu into small pieces. Coat them with starch. Heat oil. Fry the tofu over low heat until golden brown. Prepared sauce, tomato paste, white vinegar, soy sauce, starch, water. Cook over high heat until the sauce thickens. Roasted white sesame seeds. Egg tofu. Tofu. Egg. Pour in the tofu. Stir until set. Garlic, red chili pepper. Soy sauce, dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, salt, starch water. Pour in the prepared sauce, medium-low heat to mid. Salmon tofu hotpot. Salmon. Salt, black pepper powder. Marinate 15 minutes. King oyster mushroom, firm tofu. Green onions, garlic. Soy sauce, dark soy sauce, oyster sauce. White sugar, water. Pan fry tofu and salmon until golden brown. Stir-fry onions and garlic. King oyster mushrooms. Shinaji mushrooms. Water boil 1 minute. Firm tofu. Salmon. Prepared sauce. Starch water. High heat until thickens. Spring onions. Toasted white sesame seeds. Tomato egg tofu 16. Cut the tofu. Crack 3 eggs. Heat oil. Pour in the tofu. Fry until golden brown. Remove and set aside. Slice 1 carrot. Some oil. Chopped spring onions, ginger, garlic. Stir fry until fragrant. Diced tomatoes. Water. Salt. MSG. Sugar. Light soy sauce. Oyster sauce. Fried tofu. Simmer over low heat for 5 minutes. Thicken with water starch. Firm tofu and green onions hotpot. tofu. Green onions. Green onions, soy sauce, dark soy sauce, oyster sauce. Salt, white sugar, starch, water. Pan-fry tofu until golden brown. Prepare sauce, low heat 2 minutes, high heat until thickens.